Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of small garden lawn ideas, providing that you don't need a large outdoor space to create a stunning green oasis. From cozy urban courtyards to compact backyard retreats, we will showcase a variety of creative and practical solutions to maximize your small garden lawn potential. Discover clever landscaping tricks such as vertical gardens and raised flower beds, and add a depth and visual interest without taking a precious ground step. We will also explore low maintenance lawn alternatives like artificial turf and ground cover plants, perfect for busy homeowners who still want to enjoy the beauty of a lush green lawn. Whether you're dreaming for a tranquil meditation spot or a vibrant outdoor entrance area, we have got the inspiration and tips you need to make the most of your small garden lawn. So join us as we uncover innovative design ideas and space saving techniques that will transform your outdoor space into a verdant paradise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.